Hello, so this question is greatest English letter in upper and lower case. So you are given a string S, and then you want to return the greatest English letter which occur in both lower and upper case. So if you want to say the greatest English letter, right, you can just starting from Z all the way to A, and then for every single one of the character, right, you check the upper and also the lower case. And if these are in the string S, then you will just return, right? So how do we know if they are in the string S? We can use the counting array, using the child array to sort it, right? And then basically, like if the ASCII table for upper and ASCII table for lower, I mean ASCII value, right? You can check the ASCII table, and they are in the ASCII table. If the value inside the ASCII are more than 1, I mean are more than 0, right? So which is at least one character, right? You'll just return it, right? So why not just start coding? So you have a char array. I'm going to say counting array, new char, and the size is going to be 128. So how do I know? Like you only consist the upper and upper and lower English letter, right? So you don't actually need more than like 128, right? Just go on ASCII table and just make it bigger. So this is going to be pretty much it, right? Like 0 to 128, right? I mean 0 to 127, which is 128, right? And there we go. So let's just start coding. So traversing my what? Let's start to char array, right? And then counting array is C++, and then I'm going to return the empty if I cannot find it. So if I can find it, right? So starting from Z, I equal to the value A and I minus max, right? So the reason why I'm using I equal to a lowercase z, this is because the capital A, which is less than lowercase a in the ASCII table. So if the CAI, which is greater than 0, and also CAI minus 32, which is greater than 0, right? This represents a lower character. This represents the upper character. Then if this is true, then we can just say return the character toString, and I need to convert the value, right? So it's going to be char and I minus 32. So this is it, right? So let's start running, and let's talk about the time and space. This is a space. 128 should be constant, and this is going to be what? This is going to be time, all of n representative of the s, and this is all of 26, to be honest. So let's just say the time for the worst case is all of n. So this is a solution, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.